So today I'm going to show you how to create this loading effect inside the Fusions, or you can also use Davinci Resolve for that. And so let me show you how to do that. So as you can see, we have to create this line first. So as you can see, I take a background node and connect with a polygon node. So if I select the background and take it to the viewer, you can see this is the line. So now if I play it, you can see it's animated. So how do I get this? So if I select polygon node, you can see this path is animated, this vortex is animated. So how to do that? So for that, let me show you. So first of all, take a background node and connect with a polygon node, and if I select the background 3 and take it to the viewer and select the polygon tool and increase the border width, and now we have to create a line, a straight line. So if I create a vortex here, and we have to align three of them, three vortex. So I create it right over here, and another is right there. So you have to just align them, and after that we have to select the middle one, which is this. And if I select this button and create publish point, so we get this point, this point 0. So we can animate this point. So let me increase the border width little bit so you can see what's happening. So now if I move it and the x coordinate, you can see it's moving to the x coordinate. So if I move with the y-axis, you can see it's moving with the y coordinate. So let me undo that, and now if I animate this thing, so we have to go to the first frame and create a keyframe, and then select few frame ahead and set a keyframe here, and now we can animate this thing like that. And then we have to just move a few frame ahead, and then just we have to animate this thing. So now let me show you. As you can see, we are creating the path for this polyline vortex. So like that, I'm just creating this roughly to get you understand what's happening. So if I play it, you can see it's playing like that. So you can create this fast up, and then you can go to the ball section, which is over here. So if I select the ball and show you what's happening, so I create a path like that for this ball, with follow along with the polyline. You can see if I play it with the ball, you can see it's following the path. As you can see, my line and the ball is little bit in the left, so we have to just move it. For that we have to just select or take a transform node, and as you can see, we just move it a little bit in the right. And then for that I just take a tracker and track the ball, and in this in this section, you can see this is the two text node and one mouse node. So let me show you what is text 2. So it is only the percentage mark, and this is the number that is showing. So after that we have merged together, and then we have transform it a little bit for, and then this tracker node we just add it to the tracker. We just track the ball. As you can see, it's following the ball, you can see that. So it is not necessary. If you want, you can create your path with the transform node. So I just create it for fun, and if and then if you want to know how I created this 0 to 100, we just take a rectangle and create a edit control, and we just set the range to 100, and we just set a expression and connect with it. As you can see, if I pin it right here and select the text one, you can see this is rectangle 3 new control. So as you can see, if I go to down here, you can see this is animating. As you can see, this is 100 and this is 100. So this is controlling the number, you can see. So after that I just create a shadow for all of these components, and then we just merge together with the background, and then we just save this file and the file will be in the description, so be sure to check that out. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.